As you can see, I don't have PLC, but here we have a PLC. It's simulation. If you want to learn how you can run a simulation, just follow the video. Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use TioPortal version 19, the last one, and how we can use PLC Sim to simulate our project. Okay, let's start. I will open TIA portal V19. Okay, just wait. If you want to download it, just put the comment below this video, okay? So, I will create a new project. You can name it whatever you want, create, and then just wait. Okay, here we have to configure a device. I will add new device. Here I'm using a 7-1200, but there is a note here. You must choose a version that is upper than V4, okay? So we can use this, but I can use this one. So just add it to our project and wait. Okay, here is about protection, sorry. I will deselect this one and choose finish. If you want to work and exercise your programming and you don't have PLC, okay, you can use PLC Sim. So PLC Sim is one of the best options for those people that don't have PLC. So here I want to just write simple program. I will go on program blocks and then OB1. Here I will use a normal open contact and then an assignment. So I'm using M0.0 here. Sorry guys, just wait. Okay, now we have it, and Q0.0. So here, first of all, I always say just save and compile your project. Now you can see we have a problem here. Password must not be empty. Okay, let's do it. I will go this part, access level, and I will put it on full access. Okay, just save it again and compile. Now it's clear and you can see we have some warning, but it's not important. So now let's start to open our PLC Sim. Sorry, this one. So enable simulation support blah is not important. Here it said starting simulation will disable all other online interface. I'm okay with that. Now go back to TioPortal, okay? Okay, just wait. TioPortal start to make a connection with our PLC Sim. Now you can see it here. It's speaking about simulation. Yeah, so load it. Here, I'm okay with that, connect. This is our PLC. Yeah, load it. And then I will choose start module. Yes, no actions. Change to start module and finish. Now I can say our PLC Sim is ready. You can go to OB1 here and you can see that is perfect. Yeah, so I will go to PLC Sim. We can see our PLC here, 7-1200. We are using Ethernet, and here this part I have to use a sim table because I want to monitor our tags. Yeah, so here I will choose tag and I say just load them from our PLC. You can see this is tag under line 1 and tag 2. Just click on it and you'll have it here. Okay, and this one. So here you must put it on run, and as you can see, you can change it. And the best part of that, we have it here. See, I can put it on false, this boolean, and here it's false. Thank you for watching this video and have a good time.